In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to get started with LCBS TestGlider. Initially, you have the option to register for a complimentary membership or opt for a paid subscription right away. To enroll as a complimentary member, select the login option, and at the login screen's bottom, you'll find a sign-up link. Clicking on this link will prompt you with options to sign up using your Google or Apple account. Alternatively, you can register using your email address. If you choose to sign up with email, you'll need to provide your email address. Create a password and then click on the button to send a verification email. Next, check your email inbox for a verification message from us. Open it and click on the verification button to complete the sign-up process. Once logged in, you'll notice two primary sections on our platform: mock tests and study. Let's explore the mock test section first. Here you'll find between 8 to 9 IELTS practice tests available for unlimited attempts. Selecting a test gives you the choice to attempt the entire test in one go or to tackle it section by section. Completing a full test allows you to access your scores, corrections, model answers, and personalized feedback. For section tests, scores and feedback are available in the specific section. Test area. Now, let's review the results of a full test. Clicking on Review takes you to the test overview, where you can navigate through the listening, reading, writing, and speaking sections. In each section, you can compare your responses with model answers, receive feedback, and see organization tips and more, all customized to fit your learning needs. If you've used a correction credit, any AI corrections will be highlighted in green. We hope this walkthrough helps you familiarize yourself with TestGlider quickly. It's designed to be user-friendly, so take a little time to explore, and you'll soon navigate the platform with ease. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.